Woodworking is a craft that blends both art and engineering, where precision in each cut and carve is crucial. Enter the woodworking planer, a tool designed to smooth and flatten lumber, ensuring uniform thickness throughout. A planer is indispensable in any woodworking shop for converting rough lumber into boards that are ready to be transformed into furniture, cabinets, or any wood product that demands a polished finish. It's the unsung hero that takes irregular pieces of wood and standardizes them, making them easier to join and more attractive to work with. There are many products available to choose the best woodworking planer, each with different characteristics. To help you make informed and perfect decisions, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best woodworking planer from reputable brands. After much research, I found these very helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. DeWalt DW735X Planer. We think this powerful planer from DeWalt is a top pick, seamlessly handling wider materials with its robust motor and dual-speed functionality. We've recently had our hands on the DeWalt thickness planer, and the first thing that caught our attention was its power and speed. It glided through several types of wood we tested, producing consistently smooth surfaces. We were also impressed by how quickly we could switch out the knives, which is a real-time saver in a busy workshop. The 2-speed gearbox is a feature we can't stop raving about. It allowed us to optimize cuts per inch, choosing between a finer or more rapid feed depending on the project's needs. With the turn of a knob, we easily toggled between the two settings, noticing the difference in finish quality. Bear in mind, however, the machine does have a discernible hum. It's not discreet, but what it lacks in quiet operation, it makes up for in capability and endurance. Additionally, the planer's considerable heft might be a drawback if you require portability. Lastly, while the high performance justifies the price for us, this investment might be considerable for hobbyists. In conclusion, the DeWalt DW735X is built like a tank and performs like a dream. If your woodworking projects demand precision and reliability, this planer is worth every penny. Number 2. Jet 13-inch Helical Benchtop Planer. We believe the Jet 13-inch Helical Benchtop Planer is a solid choice due to its fine-cut quality and robust design suited for serious woodworkers. After putting the Jet 13-inch Helical Benchtop Planer to work in our shop, the first thing we noticed was its remarkable ability to handle even tough grains with ease. The helical cutter head really does make a difference, producing a finish that can almost be described as glass smooth on our hardwood projects. Operating at 10,000 RPM, you'd expect a cacophony, but it's quieter than you might think, which our ears appreciated during extended use. Space is always a premium in our shop, so the Jet's folding tables are a real boon, making it practical for us to store when not in use. Though it's built like a tank, and just as heavy, once it's set up, it's nothing but reliable performance. We've pushed through several species of wood and have yet to be disappointed with the results. Sure, it might take a bit of effort to switch out those inserts, but consider that a small trade-off for the otherwise high-quality performance and lasting durability we've observed. Number 3. Wen 13-inch Planer. If you're in the market for reliability and precision in a woodworking planer, this one's a solid bet. Transforming rough lumber into impeccably smooth boards, this Wen planer has become an indispensable part of our workshop toolset. Its spiral cutter head, with 26 high-speed steel blades, left a near-sanded finish on even knotty cedar, streamlining our project workflow significantly. The planer's powerful motor effortlessly handled wide planks, upping our productivity without bogging down. This performance was consistent across various wood types, confirming its versatility. Adjusting the cut depth with the front knob was intuitive, allowing for precise control over the planing process. The initial setup was straightforward, and despite a slight learning curve with the adjustable tables to minimize snipe, the results were well worth the effort. Although the blades are robust and deliver a fine cut, we noticed they might need replacing or sharpening with extensive use, especially on harder woods. However, considering the planer's performance and polished results, These are merely small considerations in the broader scope of its capabilities. Number 4. Weaver Thickness Planer. We believe this planer is a sturdy addition to any workshop, promising consistent performance and efficiency for woodworkers. In our latest project, we got our hands on the Weaver planer and were eager to test its capabilities. The first thing we noticed was the weight, substantial enough to promise stability during operation. We ran several boards through, playing with the dual speed feature. The slower speed did wonders for our figured maple, leaving a glass-like finish that we were impressed by. Adjustments were straightforward once we got the hang of it, though the manual could have been more helpful. As for dust collection, the port connected easily to our shop vac. We saw a significant reduction in cleanup time after planing, which any woodworker will tell you, is a major plus. However, when we switched blades, we noticed a slight dip in performance. Regular maintenance and proper blade alignment seem crucial for keeping this planer at peak performance. Overall, our experience suggests that the Weaver Thickness Planer offers a commendable balance of power, precision, and utility that will likely enhance the workflow of most woodworkers. Number 5. BOSCH 3-1/4 inch 6.5 amp hand planer for woodworking, 2.6 mm cut depth, corded with carrying case PL2632K. We believe this planer stands out for its precision and user safety features, making it a prime choice for both professional and hobbyist woodworkers. After gliding the BOSCH wood planer over a stubborn oak edge just this morning, its impressive power and smooth handling were evident. The tool's balance felt just right in our hands, reducing fatigue during extended use. A cut was achieved so cleanly, it hardly required any sanding. The thoughtful design became apparent as soon as we switched on the machine. The lock-on button allowed for continuous work without constant finger pressure, which was a real thumb-saver on larger projects. Plus, flipping the planer to change angles wasn't an issue, thanks to the dual mount fence. All things considered, the BOSCH wood planer is a reliable, precise tool perfect for giving a professional touch to any woodworking project. The absence of a cordless version is noticeable, but its consistent performance more than makes up for the restriction of movement. If you're in the market for a planer that's both potent and user-friendly, this should be on your list. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos, so do subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you need more information or if you want to know the product's price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.